In today's video, I'm going to teach you calculating mean, standard deviation, and error in Google Sheets. We'll start from scratch so you can follow along even if you're brand new to Sheets. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the top right corner, click the grid icon for Google Apps, then choose Sheets. If you don't see it right away, scroll the app list or search for it. Once Sheets opens, select the spreadsheet you want to work on or open a new one and paste in your data. I'll assume your numbers are in a single column like A2 through A21 with a header in A1. Let's begin with the mean, also called the average. Click an empty cell where you want the result to appear, type an equal sign, then enter sum, open parenthesis, highlight your data range, close the parenthesis, and press enter. That gives you the total of your values. If your goal is the actual average, the typical approach in Sheets is to use average instead of sum, or divide that total by the count of values. For example, average A2, A21 yields the mean directly. Either way, be sure your range only includes numeric data. Text and blanks can affect results. Next, let's calculate the standard deviation, which tells you how spread out the data is around the mean. Click another empty cell, type an equal sign, then STDEV.s, open parenthesis, highlight the same range, close the parenthesis, and press enter. STDEV.s is the sample standard deviation, which is what you'll use most of the time when your data represents a sample from a larger population. If you truly have the entire population, STDEV.p is the population version. Using the correct one helps ensure your analysis is statistically sound. Finally, compute the standard error, which estimates how much the sample mean would vary if you resampled repeatedly. Click an empty cell, type an equal sign, select or type the cell that holds your standard deviation, then type a / followed by sqrt, open parenthesis, count, open parenthesis, highlight the same numeric range, close parenthesis twice, and press enter. In formula form, it looks like each SD cell / sqrt count A2 A21. Count ensures only numeric entries are included. If your column mixes labels and numbers, this is especially helpful. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your data in a clean, contiguous range with a header above it. Be consistent about units, and watch for outliers as they can inflate both standard deviation and standard error. With these calculations in place, you'll have a solid snapshot of your data's center, spread, and the reliability of your mean.